Guys, airdrop hunt is here again. If you're new, welcome, and you've been here with us, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever new videos have been dropped. So without wasting much of our time, I'll be showing us how to start this Matmo Airdrop. So after the link has been sent to you, as you can see like this, it will be sent as a message. Now you'll be tapping on this link. Now you tap on it. Make sure you have Telegram. So this is one of the major criteria for the airdrop. So you tap on the link. So once you tap on it, now this particular page will actually appear like this. Then you tap on this start button. After I might have tapped on the start button, okay, the next thing, you will wait for the page to kind of load. Then you tap on this particular this place here. They said enter the text on the graphics, this one here. Then you tap on this. Okay guys, it might actually take longer time, but trust me, but we're going to learn at the very tail end. Now we enter this code 35363. then you send. Okay, they said please complete the required tasks to be eligible to receive airdrop tokens. Click on airdrop. Now you tap on this particular button here, this one here, you tap on it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now this is what you'll be doing. This particular tax here, the tax is you join this Telegram group. You'll be touching each and every group here, then you join. Understand? You join. Okay, let's join these groups serially, one after the other. Let's join. You tap on the first one. Okay, tap on the first one and it will open to this page like this. This their channel. Then you tap on this join. Then you tap on the join. I guess you're good to go. Then we move back to the next task again. Then the second channel group, we tap on it and wait for it to open. Then we equally join. Okay, you equally tap on this join here, tap on this join again, we join. Then you click on this back key. Then they say follow their Twitter page. Now you tap on it to direct it to your Twitter, to their Twitter page. Then you tap on it and you say open. Okay, let's wait for it. Just want to open. Okay, now their page is going to display like this. Endeavor to follow them. Now you tap on this follow button, this one here. That's the next. Then after then we still go back to our Telegram app. Okay, then the last task is here, we should visit their webpage. Let's visit. Okay, let's tap on it, visit webpage. You open. Let's see what they will tell us to do there. Okay, I guess we're going to kind of scroll up. Okay, then let's go back to the Telegram app and continue. You just scroll up. You just want to confirm that you've actually opened the page. Let's still go back there. Then you tap on this submit button, this one here, this particular submit details. Then you tap on it. Now they will still ask you join. You confirm by clicking on it. Okay, you confirm by clicking on these two channels to confirm you've already joined. Then you tap on it. We've already joined. We go back, we confirm the second one. We've already joined. Then what we'll be doing next is to tap on this turn. Let's tap on this turn here. It's been seen here, so we tap on this turn. Okay, they said follow our page, retweet the pin post, submit your Twitter profile link. So now what we'll be doing, we've already followed them. So now how do you get your Twitter profile link? So what you'll be doing now, we go to their page again, we tap on the Twitter here, this particular one, we tap on this place that I just pointed, Twitter, then we open. Okay, now the pin post, as you can see here, here's the pin post. Now we're going to retweet it. Okay, we'll be retweeting it as been instructed by the team. So we scroll up like this, then we tap on this option for the retweet, this particular option here. Then we tap on it, then we now hit on this repost, as simple as it is. Then we tap on the repost. We've retweeted successfully. Now how do you get your, let's still go back first before I will show us the next step of what we'll be doing. Now they said after you might have actually followed and retweeted their page, the pin post on their page, they say submit your Twitter profile link. Now you tap on this place like this, you copy on this link and you paste it here. You now paste it. Now your username, you claim this username as been written, then you go and get your username on Twitter. So let me quickly show us how to get it. Okay, after you might have opened your Twitter, now you tap on this particular icon here, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you now check your username. If you don't know this, where exactly your username is, this at, as you can see, my one is at airdrop hunt 02. So after you might have actually know your username, then you go back to your Telegram, then we input the username. Okay, we've just gotten our username. Let me type it, airdrop hunt 02. That's all. Then you click on this particular button, send. Okay, this particular one here, then you tap on it and send. They will be confirming whether you've actually retweeted. They said visit website. We've already visited the website, but you will revisit it again if you wish to. If you're done, you click on done. Okay, they said submit your BSc B20 address. This is what they said. Now what you'll be doing, you'll be submitting your address. How do you get the address? Now let's hit over to our OKX wallet to get the address. Okay, before copying the address, if you want to know how to generate your Matmo address on your OKX, either OKX or Trust Wallet, you can use any. Now you check my previous video that I've already dropped on the channel, or rather in the channel, you will see the videos. Now let's scroll up. Okay, here is it. I've already added this token to my OKX. So as I just said, if you don't know how to actually add it, you check my previous video, you will see it detailed, full video on how I actually did it. Now we tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you tap on this button so as to receive this particular button here. Guys, I'm actually pointing. You tap on it and you're going to copy the address successfully. Okay, it says copy successfully at the top there. So now we've already copied it. Let me copy it again. Receiving address copied. Now let's hit back to the Telegram bot. Okay, then we paste the address there. Okay guys, we're now finally back to the bot. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be pasting the address here. Okay, the address we just copied, so that's what we'll paste in here. So we've pasted it. Let's send. Okay, they said I've gotten 2000 watt airdrop. There is it. So now what you'll be doing is you've actually you place withdrawal with this button. I'll be clicking on the withdrawal button and let's see if they pay instantly, but I'm not sure whether they pay instantly or not. But as I previously told you guys that I'm doing it for the first time, So let's place the withdrawal button and see. And if you want to get your referral link, this is your referral link here. You copy on this referral link, this one. If you want to refer, the minimum referral, I guess you get 2 before you withdraw. So let's tap on this withdrawal button. We tap on it. They say withdrawal will be sent to your automatic withdrawals will be sent out automatically to your Binance Martin within 7 days. Note: users found cheating will be disqualified. So guys, let's just wait for it. I hope everybody will partake from this airdrop. So if you haven't understood anything, just comment it down below on the comment section, and we get you get a response from me. So if you gotten value from it, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to get notified. Peace out, guys.